do do do. $5 for you, $5 for you. Give me that $5. How much is it? Shit, I might get a gallon and a half. We'll see. What we got cooking? Is there still gas coming out? Hold up, hold up. Oh no, I just shut off. Damn it. Alright, we got like a half tank off that. Be cool, we be cool. Boys, got the M4. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, skis. M4. Exhaust on. The FZ. Oh, shit, boys. Give me a little. Give me a little. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I gotta tighten up my thing here. There we go. Oh, yeah. Yeah, boys, it finally happened. Finally got a damn exhaust. It's lit. Excited. Alright, let's get on out of here. Oh yeah, she sounds mint. She sounds mint. Woohoo! Little pops. Ooh. First of all, welcome back everybody to the channel. So I ended up, my buddy in our riding group chat hit me up and was like, hey, do you want a M4 exhaust? And I was like, oh, of course. So I got a free M4 exhaust, so I took it into the shop yesterday and I welded it up for myself. So real nice, real excited about it. It's a little I don't know how I feel about it. It sounds good, it does, but it's also a little bit like too much. Like, you know what like a straight piped motorcycle sounds like, where it's just like, it's kind of like it sounds good up until you get to a certain amount and then it's just it gets to be too loud. That's kind of how this is. Not even so much that it's just too loud, it's just like it sounds so good under like 7K, and then when you get up above 7K it just starts like, I don't know, but oh. So basically what had happened, when we did our tune video, had a guy that I watch on YouTube, which is, his name is Ride the Six. I featured him in my last video, and had him send me the tune that he got from Hindle, which is a custom tune with an exhaust and a KN drop-in filter, which I also got. So now that we have those two and everything, I loaded the tune onto it yesterday on the Power Commander, and we got everything all squared away. So now our bike is running in tip-top shape. Kid likes it, eh? Woo! Give it a beans, boy! Been killing it lately, guys. So if you guys aren't subscribed and you do enjoy the content on the channel that I feature, now that we got the exhaust, we got some sound, we got some note, you know what I mean? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, guys, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on another episode of on the channel. Woohoo! I'm loving this, guys. It is a brisk day out today, though. Oh my god. But for right now, we're just riding around getting my initial reaction to it and reaction to the tune. Obviously, the bike's a lot louder. But so what had happened yesterday, I rode home from the shop with no tune, nothing on it, and the bike really was bogging down. Like you downshift like that, it wouldn't be crisp, it wouldn't be like accurate like that. Like, you really had to give it gas for it to do anything. For for it to have any response, I should say. So that's my initial thinking. So talking about the tune, it's great, it's awesome. From what I have experienced so far with it, I know we're in the cold season and it's not really spring out yet, so I haven't been able to go out and actually test it out. But from my experience, it's been great. It's very responsive. The throttle is amazing on it. It's very blippy. It's very responsive. I can't so much say in the department of gaining horsepower, because like I said, I actually haven't gotten on it yet to rip it, so I don't really know. I mean, I've gotten on it a little bit. So I mean, we'll have to test that on later too. I'll do a 0 to 60, because what I'll actually do is I'll put the base mat back on the bike, 0 to 60 it, and then put the Hindle tune back on it and do a 0 to 60 again. So that I'll feature in another video. I keep saying I'm featuring all these videos, but guys, you gotta understand, it is like 40 degrees out and I'm really not feeling like riding. So yeah, rest of this video, guys, we're just gonna be riding around, enjoying the sound of the bike. Not gonna be talking, so hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys. Love y'all.